Learn English with Titanic movie. Learn prepositions with Rose and Jack. Part 14 of 20. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Rose felt trapped blank her high society life. A. In. B. On. C. At. Correct answer, in, for being within a situation. Jack won his ticket blank a poker game. A. On. B. In. C. At. Correct answer, in, for being part of an event. The ship was traveling blank Southampton to New York. A. From. B. Since. C. At. Correct answer, from, to show an origin or starting point. Jack was very different blank the other men Rose knew. A. From. B. To. C. At. Correct answer, from, to show a difference. The ship's voyage started blank England. A. From. B. With. C. To. Correct answer, from, to indicate a starting point. Like, comment and subscribe.